Your conscience is not even picking you. How can you have 4 children and sell them?
Hello beauties, welcome back again to another video with Tessie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. If today is the first time when they come across my YouTube channel, I beg you don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you. This video, my darling people, now about this woman. Some women wicked, sha. People, then when they look for children, they go up and down. Say, Baba God, give me one. Even though the pikin no even dey waka na disabled child, they go accept. Now, a person when God use am bless, he not get money to ever feed them, but God still give am. Say, carry, and use am bless you. Now, know wetin this woman can't do with the children? He can't begin to sell her children. If she sell am, she go call house come talk say the pikin don delete. Now so the pikin no well yesterday night she carry am go hospital, the pikin don delete. Some people they are mad e wicked though. Pikin when she carry for good 9 months, or in the name say she and her husband they no dey again. The man don waka she dey now. She no come get money to dey feed her. She can't go dey sell the pikin. If he sell one, he go carry the money come as come to dey live well. Sell the second one and he go tell them say na so conversion hold the pikin. Before she rush and go hospital, the pikin don delete, and she can go put am for where they put people when they don't get RIP. So she will come her. They say that very day, the way she go take the dance, the way she will come to dey live well. Now neighbor for her compound come suspect her say this one e get how e be. Then neighbor now come put her for ground say this woman we don't know how you dey do your children, and you go say the children delete. Person when you pikin delete, if they get the way they sad, go they cry, but you go see they happy. Now that period she go ever do shopping pass. Now one of your neighbor, now I know say they see all those kind sometimes that they call them oversabi. Why some now help they use their oversabi to help you. Can't go tell these people when you can't catch this woman so.
How can you see? Wait. How? Hey, all these things. Look. Hey.
Don't mind her.
See, listen. How can you tell me that a child died and you don't remember the name of the child? How can you claim that you don't remember the name of the... I didn't hear what she said. She claimed that the child died. She claimed that the child died in CMS hospital. I said, give me the name of the child so that we can go and find out. She said she can't remember the name of her own child that died. She's claiming that she buried the child in CMS. She now says it's Obalende. Those people that dig ground in Obalende, they don't collect 1,000 naira. Yes. She said she gave 2,000 to bury. And now you are saying, see, you must be ashamed of yourself. How much is it that they offered you to? This is a whole human being. Look at how the child is holding the real mother. Look at. Are you seeing how the child is holding? Are you seeing the child? Your conscience is not even picking you. How can you have 4 children and sell them? And you still want to do the same thing, and you are still having mouth to talk. You say, okay. You say, the other one. The third one. Where did the third one die? Hey, you saw the child. Say you did not say. Where did the third one die? Where did the third child die? No, third one. Where is the papa's side? He died in the Kota house there. And you people did not go to police. How old was the child?
That day, that time, why the pikin? This thing where they do small pikin, I do. That's never come up for any money. Leave me for house. So, as they come back now, they see pikin. They do like this, they come out straight. And on Sunday night this thing happen. I go carry and they run for hospital, they no open from now you got that. Now for child church now this pikin stop
What's the name of the church?
Now,
What's the name of the
church?
It doesn't matter even if it's Awusa church. What is the apostolic? Well, let's go. We'll talk to the pastor. What's the name of the pastor where the child died? The pastor said what? See, I have followed people to Zamfara State.
No, for this one, who go meet this thing? Who go meet my pikin papa?
What is your? You don't know the name of the child. The child that died.
Go sell am. These two where they say that who go meet him father. His father there for this Ikota.
If he ate the money with you, he will lie. It's a lie. You people sold the children, so he will lie for you.
It's not lie.
Show me where you buried the children. We will dig the ground. Let us see their bone. Where did you bury the child?
Like this, for truth, if I ever try that thing for my life, and I will see the sweat, make my mama stand up.
Don't bother. See, the God of this child is what is dealing with you. You see, you. Where did you bury? See, you are so heartless. Oh. I have seen people who lost one child, even miscarriage. I know how it is. You sold 4 children. You are claiming they died, and you are not feeling bad. You are not feeling bad.
If you say her second when they come together, before that one go out. If you say her second, she won't talk small past the second.
Are you serious?
Yeah, 2 now. The other one don't they start Wakago. Her second.
You open your mouth to say you are the one that you can deliver the child, so you have a right to the child. You don't know the laws. Tell me where you buried those ones or where you sold those ones.
When?
What time? We will go. We will dig the ground. Give us the address. Mention the name of the child. And you think if you waste my time, we reach any place, it's a lie. You don't even understand what is waiting for you. What is the name of the second child? You said the first child. I am not sending any. You said the first child. You bury in CMS. What's the name of the child? You said you don't remember your own child. The name. Which year did the child die? It's not this year. Which year? It's not. Wait, oh. Did you just say it's not everything that person will put on the mind? You just say it's not a whole human being you deliver dies, and you are saying it's not everything you put in your mind. So a child dying is not important enough for you. And what is the name of the child? How old was the child when the child died?
I don't say when this became going. Now because of this people make me carry this became. Says we cry every day,
The third one you say you bury in the Ikota place. What's the name of that one? You don't know that one's name too.
You said, what's the name of this one?
This one, what's the name of this one? This one's name is Monday. The first one that they say you sold, that you say is in the village, what's the name of that one? You say? Kufrema. Then the 2 that you say you claim have died, that you don't remember those one's name. And you can remember the first one, but the ones you sold, you are saying you don't remember. Tell me who you sold those babies to. We'll go and pay the person and collect those children. When? We cannot go to cemetery to say we are looking. You will tell us the month and the day. They have records.
I tell you this woman, now my pikin, no, she bring my pikin.
You are not getting this child.
Oh yeah, may will not come and carry and go train now. Yes.
We are taking the child though.
Yes.
If this child is better off with this woman, she will take care of this child.
Until I cannot grieve, even I die, I not go grieve.
But you have to answer. You have to answer. You have to answer for the other 4 children. You will answer for those 4 children. You will prove to me. And if we do not find those children, you will answer because you did not just sell them. You now you are claiming you kill. And this one too, you say the father is dead. You will tell us what the father's name is. The obituary when they buried him. Because right now we are looking for 4 people in your hand.
See, they don't look for 4 children for my hand. I see them talk. Nothing I know do, you cannot shake my body. The thing where you do now ain't gonna shake your body. And I know.
No, leave her now. She was crying. The thing did not work. Her real character will come out. Don't worry.
This woman, you go see her. Me, I don't fear. I don't fear.
No, you shouldn't be afraid.
I don't fear.
See,
What I know do.
first things first.
I don't like my head.
You don't even care for the child. It's the money. It's the money that you want to collect from the child. When, don't worry, by the time I'm done with you, you see all this rubbish you are doing, you will calm down. You will calm down very well. It's because I'm still happy.